Hello guys, so welcome back to my channel, Jimbans TV. So guys, for today's video guys, ay tuturuan ko kayo guys kung paano mag-order ng ATM debit card sa ating Mari app. Okay, so tuturuan ko kayo guys kung paano mag-order. Okay, so keep on watching guys. So guys, first, click ko lang itong cards guys. So okay, sa cards guys, makikita natin dito yung ay mga ano dito na cashback on every purchase. So earn up of 3,000 cashback monthly on all purchases. Okay, meron din dito na free physical card. So ito yung free physical card. Meron dito get your 49 pesos card fee back in store transaction within 30 days activation. So meron dito 0 foreign transaction fees. Enjoy absolutely no foreign transaction fees. Store overseas and pay store order. Okay guys, so click ko lang guys itong apply now. Okay, sa apply now, may makita kayo dito na virtual card only and virtual physical card. Okay. So dito, ito yung name. Kailangan nyo fill up yung name on card, delivery contact number. Bali guys, dito given ito, lalabas na kagad to sa inyong Mari app. Okay, so lalabas nyo lang dito yung delivery address. Okay, so delivery address guys, makikita kayo dito na region, province, city or barangay, zip code, street name, building and house number. Ilalagay nyo lang guys yung mga information na to and yung landmark. Okay, so like sabi dito, please select areas available only on the list above. If not available, your location is currently unsupported. Okay, so please note, failed deliveries due unsupported address are not non-refundable. Okay, so just to make sure na accurate lahat ng ilalagay nyong address dito at tama. Okay, sa address na nilalagay nyo. Okay, okay, so after nyan guys, makikita nyo yung view order status. Okay, so dito guys, makita nyo dito yung processing card, in transit and delivered. So expected delivery daw is by August 24. So may change due to public holidays and delivery area. Okay, makikita nyo din yung status guys kung transit na ba or delivered. Okay, and then back lang tayo guys, and then go to your card, go to card homepage. Okay, so makikita nyo dito guys, physical card, your card order is being processed. Okay, so makikita nyo yung cashback earn and yung available balance. Okay, so transaction history is 49 pesos. So binawasan na ako ng 49 pesos dyan. Okay, so yun lang guys kung paano tayo mag-order ng physical debit card using Mari app. Okay, so if you have questions guys, please let me know. Okay, so bibigyan ko lang kayo guys ng update. Okay, so once na na-receive ko na yung card, tatry kong i-link yung aking physical card sa aking phone. Okay, so thank you guys and keep on watching. Bye bye.